Come back to your favorite channel, Math Helpers. See one important question. Solve graphically. First equation is 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. You will make table. X value you will give different and you will find the value of y. Firstly, you will give x value minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14. It will go that side, it will become plus 14. 2y is equal to 14, so y will come 14 over 2, that is 7. Then second value, you will get x is equal to 0. When x will be 0, 3 into 0 is 0. 2y is equal to 11, y will come 11 over 2, that is 5.5. Like this, one more value you will take. Suppose you are taking x1, you will get 3 into 1, 3. So 3 minus 11 minus 8. Minus 8 will go that side, it will become plus 8. So y will come 8 over 2, that is 4. Same way, second equation, you will take 2x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. You will give different values of x and you will find the value of y. This is the way how to solve graphically. Suppose you are giving x equal to 1. You will get 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 10, 12. 12 will go that side, it will become minus 12. Minus minus will be cancelled. Y will come minus 12 over minus 3, that is 4. First value. Second value, suppose x you are taking minus 2. You have to take in this way x value so that the fraction should not come. Fraction आ भी रहा है तो पूरा divisible होना चाहिए, points में नहीं आना चाहिए आंसर. 2 into 2 is minus 4. So minus 4 plus 10, 6. 6 will go that side, minus 6. Minus 3y is equal to minus 6. Y will come minus 6 over minus 3, that is 2. Now suppose third value you are taking minus 5. You can take any other value also. 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Minus 10 plus 10, 0. Minus 3y is equal to 0. Y will come 0 over minus 3, that is 0. So these are the three values. Now you will put on the plot on the graph paper. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. You will plot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 7 you can plot because your value of y is up to 7. So I am plotting up to 7. Less also you will plot, no problem. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here also take minus 5 because up to minus 5 x values are there. Now x is minus 1, y is 7. So 1 point will come approximate. Here on the graph paper it will come accurate. Now x is 0, y is 5.5. So here between 5 and 6 one value will come. Then next is x is 1, y is 4. So here 1, x is 1, y is 4. So approximate here 1 point will come. Now with the help of scale on the graph paper you have to join them. सीधा join करना है स्केल की हेल्प से. सो ऐसे प्रॉपरली आएगा. नाउ सेकेंड इक्वेशन, x is 1, y is 4. So here only 1 point will come. X is minus 2, y is 2. So 1 point will come approximate here. X is minus 5, y is 0. So 1 point will come here. Now with the help of scale on the graph you have to join this. So where they are meeting? They are meeting on 1, 4. 1, 4 दोनों में है ना. So solution of this is 1, 4. This is the answer. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4 is its answer. Thank you.